Hey guys, welcome back to the Luvele kitchen. Today we're going to make an awesome dessert. It's a take on a classic peaches and cream, but instead of cream, we're going to use our homemade yogurt. An excellent way to use up those extra bits of your homemade yogurt. It's refined sugar free and it's full of flavor. Let's get started. I've got 8 peaches here. It doesn't matter if you use yellow or white ones for this one, it'll still work out really nicely. I've just given them a quick wash and now I'm going to cut them in half and get rid of those seeds. Now I'm going to add some flavor into our roasting pan. Make sure that you have one that's big enough to fit all of your peaches. So I'm going to add 1 cup of water, 3 whole star anise, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/3 cup of honey, and a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. All of this is going to make a really nice, naturally sweet syrup that we can serve right on top of our peaches when they're finished. Give it a good mix around, and now I'm going to add my peaches face down into the pan. We're also going to add some small cubes of butter. I've got about 25 grams here. This recipe really is so simple. It hardly takes any time or effort at all. A few simple ingredients. It's really generous, it's kind of healthy, and the whole family can enjoy it. These can now go into a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. While our peaches are in the oven, we can toast up some flaked almonds, and we're going to use those to sprinkle over our peaches when they're ready. So our peaches are fresh out of the oven now, and I'm going to serve them warm with our fresh yogurt and almonds. The great thing about this recipe is that you can make more than you need, store the excess in the fridge with the syrup for another day's breakfast or dessert. So let's plate up now. I like to serve these face up, 2 or 3 halves per person, and then we're going to put some of our homemade yogurt on top. We'll finish with a little bit of that syrup in the bottom of the pan and some of our toasted almonds. So there we have it, a simple, delicious, and wholesome dessert using up some of our homemade probiotic yogurt. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it, and we'll look forward to seeing you again next week.